We also know people have been waiting for certainty about their jobs. How much are they going to be expected back in the office and when? Home prices continue to appreciate. And then also this week, Google Trends told us that more people are searching for the phrases, should I sell my house or should I buy a house, than in Google Trends history. So what we know is that moving is on a lot of people's minds, and we're imagining a lot of would-be movers are going to come off the sidelines here.
Where are we on the sort of de-urbanization trend that clearly was at play for a lot of last year? Do you think that's peaked?
Yeah, I mean, we really believe in this idea of the great reshuffling is what's happening, which is it's less about this flight from urban and flight to suburban and more just about people moving, just people wanting to get into new spaces. And, this idea of suburban flight, we've been seeing that for many, many years. It's this natural, you have a family, you get a little older and you want to move somewhere where you have more space. So we think that great reshuffling is going to continue.
But prices are rising quickly, Susan. So isn't that going to eventually at some point impact affordability and start to hurt the demand?
That's what Economics 101 will tell us. But I think that the part that's really important to remember are mortgage rates right now. So mortgage rates, even though we're seeing those rise a little bit, are at historical lows. And those mortgage rates are really what feed the affordability. And so as long as those stay low, and also we have this pent-up demand from buyers as well. So it's quite possible that we see a bunch of listings come on and there's enough buyers to scoop them up, and we'll stay in this place we're at right now.
Are you seeing increasing take-up of Zillow offers, and what sort of savings are people experiencing if they're using that relative to traditional methods to exchange?
Yeah, thanks, Wolf. We love talking about Zillow offers. So, we're continuing to put out really strong offers, especially in this time, Sarah, as you said, of, pretty significant home appreciation. The most recent innovation with our iBuying Zillow offers that we're really excited about is this actually putting live offers on houses. So Zestimates, as you both know, have been this incredibly important product of Zillow's, where homeowners for the last 15 years come to Zillow, want to see their home value. And now in 23 cities, we've transformed that home value to be an actual cash offer. So for sellers who are looking for a strong offer, certainty about closing, flexibility about closing, especially in this market where, when and will you be able to find your next home? We're seeing a lot of customers who think that's a pretty great thing.
What are the hottest markets right now? Any surprising ones?
No, not too surprising. Back to this suburban question, we're seeing a lot of excitement around places like Columbus, Ohio, Austin, Nashville. And what that is these places where there's a metro center. So you have those conveniences, you have the culture of a city, but then there's those suburban rings around them where people can find, more space for their dollar. So those places continue to be hot.
Really good check-in, Susan, on the state of housing. Susan Daimler, thank you, from Zillow.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.